All right, it's a magical time of the day again where I get to watch yesterday's video, remember exactly what I said, and then analyze and try to predict or forecast what's going to come up next. So, in yesterday's video, what did we talk about? We talked about a couple key levels. One was going to be a support in the area of 1320. The other one was going to be area of resistance that we were seeing on the hourly time frame around 1330. So there's our levels, and what we were talking about was the fact that we really didn't know what was going to happen. We had a lot of chop. We had established areas of support. We approved an area of resistance, and we needed to break out of that to show direction. And what did we want to see direction in? The setup for a daily EQ, which would have required us to have a reversal right down here and then shoot to the upside. So that's pretty much exactly what happened. We broke over 1330. We got a good run. RSI probably got a little overbought, so we got up to 75, which is not crazy. And we saw a turnaround at 1338, come down, back test that former resistance, now acting as support, and that is held so far. So, pretty good move based off yesterday's not really knowing what's going to happen, but we're in a range that is important. We get a breakout, we get a back test, we've proved that area of support, and now we need to figure out what's going to happen next. So first, we need to figure out what exactly is going on now. Now I can see that we are in an hourly uptrend. We're setting higher lows, so 1319, 1326, 1329. As long as that pattern continues, we're going to be in good shape. And right now we are setting lower highs on the hourly, so 1338, 1337. And now we're getting into a little bit of a miniature EQ and HQ, watching too much PJ Masks, too many kids running around. So what we got here is a nice tightening range where we're setting this high, this low, lower high, higher low, perhaps. We don't know for sure until it's over, of course. But those are the ranges that I'm going to be watching right now. And if this is going to continue on the daily time frame, we're going to look for a bullish break over 1337 or whatever the next lower high may become. And look for upside continuation on the 4-hour time frame, which is going to set that new higher high and have established a new higher low, moving that hourly trend, which is right now in question, into a nice solid 4-hour uptrend to continue this daily march for the daily EQ, which would have us trying to set a low under 1348. That's it for today. Lots of cool stuff happening on the hourly time frame. Keep an eye on those trend changes. That's really how we can play these markets. We look for what we think is going to happen, and then we play those trends. That's it for today. Have a wonderful evening.